up, guys? It's your friend and fellow artist, ZMarie, here with Heart for Art Live Season 2. We have some awesome things in store for you guys this season, so I want you to stay tuned. Today we're going to be drawing our interpretation from Adam to Noah. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's get started on our interpretation from Adam to Noah. Let's get started. Let's jump on over to our sketch pad and get started drawing. Alright guys, so let's get started. I've actually kind of did like a draft drawing of this before, so that's what I'm going to kind of use as the reference. I'm going to put the reference photo on here so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, okay? Alrighty, so first, of course, it's from between Genesis 5 to Genesis 8, Genesis chapter 5 through 8. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with Adam, and we're just going to kind of, do it as we go. So you'll just follow along with me. If you have any questions, let me know, alright? Alright, so first what I'm going to do is you kind of see the leaf over here to the left side. I'm going to kind of start drawing that first. To me, it's actually a little easier drawing like scenery and things around the person first. To me, just seems a little easier. I don't know, but that's just, I don't know, my pattern. Alright, so we're going to start right here. And we're just going to kind of first do like a rough kind of sketch of the leaf, then we'll go back and erase and add some more detail. Alright. So we're just doing the rough draft of the sketch, just showing when God actually made Adam. So when he made him from the ground, from the dust of the ground, so that's kind of the interpretation of this drawing. Alrighty. And of course, if we don't get to finish everything in this, drawing at one time, of course we'll have, part 2 if need be. I'll try and sum it up between like part 1 and part 2 so it doesn't go, just too far, like be like part 5. So I'll try and, speed it up a little bit for you guys too, so. Alright. So we're just doing kind of like a palm leaf here. Alright. It's kind of like a basic outline sketch. I hope you guys can see that pretty well. Make sure you can kind of see that, a little better. Alright, and we can always go back and darken it as well. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do kind of like the lines that are in the palm leaves. We're going to do that next. Some people like to start right to left. Depending on the drawing, I'll kind of start left to right, but it all depends on the drawing. Alright, it's kind of doing a few rough lines in between to give it a little more detail. Alright, kind of do like that. If you want to add kind of like the other side of the leaf over here, it's completely up to you. Just kind of like do it from the corner. Alright, that's just kind of our rough palm tree leaf sketch. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to do like the ground up here, like that's right underneath Adam. We're going to save Adam probably till closer to the end, just as it's a little more detail for the person. So I'm going to start here, just adding a little detail to it. This is representing kind of like just another palm leaf. It's kind of a rough sketch there. Kind of add a few shadings. Make it look more like a leaf. few shadings here and there. And of course you can do it the way that you want to do the drawing. This is kind of like an outline, just to kind of get an idea of, you know, what to draw exactly, but of course it's however you want to draw the picture. So go here, add more at the bottom of the palm tree leaf. And it's just kind of like rough lines. Of course, we're going to go back and add a little bit more detail. All right, that's just kind of giving us a little rough draft so we'll know what not to merge up here, down here. So it gives us a little bit, you know, space of what we're actually drawing and where to actually draw each picture. All right, so now what we're going to do is is a representation of God's hand when he was actually making man. So we're going to put that kind of up here at the top. And again, just kind of like a rough sketch. And we'll go back and add some more detail. Make sure you do 5 fingers. Fix this a little. Alright. Just gonna fix the thumb a little. Alright, and that kind of gives you a rough draft of the hand. So I'm gonna pause right here. We're gonna go to break and then we'll come right back and finish up where we started.